Do you want to catch a big one, or do you want to catch a lot of them?
None of them.
You want to catch a lot of them. Okay, that's good.
It's a thrilling sport and a relaxing
When we
pastime.
go forward, we let the button go and the line goes out just like that.
Today we are making a Jamaican-style curried catfish.
It's a way to eat local, healthy food and have tons of good family fun.
Ready? Swoosh. Yeah, good.
You just can't go wrong when you spend the day fishing. Hundreds of people found out for themselves April 6th at Cortez Park in Phoenix.
We enjoy it. It's fun to be outdoors, and it's for the kids.
What's most rewarding for me is to see the kids get excited.
Oh, Daddy, he got it again.
They were there for the Arizona Game and Fish Department's Hook to Plate fishing event.
It's family time together. It's, unplugging, getting away from the rat race, spending quality time together. There's huge value in that.
It was co-sponsored by Phoenix City Councilwoman Thelda Williams, who made it possible for kids in attendance to get free fishing licenses, and by the Phoenix Police Department.
We get to go around, help the future anglers that are here, a lot of them for the first time fishing. And the interaction we have with the families and the kids is really invaluable and just goes towards that partnership of the police and working with the community and building that relationship.
So we're going to fish with the cops, right?
Yes, we're going to fish with the cops.
Mm-hmm. And so they want to learn the fundamentals. They don't really go fishing much.
Okay, our next one is 212.
Sportsman's Warehouse held a raffle, and many lucky kids went home with some pretty cool outdoor gear.
Cool. All right, let's get another.
So let's just do a single layer and then we'll season them.
One of the main attractions was Chef Danielle Leone's cooking demonstration.
Chef Allen, remember we still need one whole fish. So the catfish came from the lake. So if you're fishing today, you can bring one of these beautiful fish up yourself. And it's beautiful and it's red. So it's a fresh fish. You can just run your knife across the bone so you get a nice clean fillet. And you can see just little by little, you just chip it away from its frame. And there it is. So we are teaching people how to take fish from hook to plate. So we have catfish in this beautiful lake here in the park. And we are gutting them, cleaning them, filleting them, and then we are cooking them down Jamaican style, just like we do at the Breadfruit, and teaching everybody how to do that.
Chef Leone's Breadfruit and Rum Bar restaurant in Phoenix specializes in sustainable seafood.
If you can have something that is of your community and close to home, it's going to be fresh. It's going to be delicious. You're going to be inspired by the people around you, and you're supporting yourself, your well-being, your family's well-being, your neighbor, your community, and it has this gorgeous ripple effect when people come together and celebrate community.
Isn't that so fragrant?
Yeah, so
That's exactly why the Uptown Farmers Market was here.
The event itself is a perfect blend of community and local food and home cooking. And that's exactly what a farmer's market is. So it's a great marriage for us to be here, and we're just really excited to partner with this mission and bringing everyone together. And we've brought a few items here today that anyone can pick up some spices or herbs or vegetables to cook whatever they catch today.
You caught 2 fish today? What'd you catch it on?
One.
On worms. Oh, see, nobody's trying worms. They're using hot dogs and bacon. So that's your secret bait.
I'm fishing with shrimp, trying to catch some channel catfish.
Uh-oh, that's a tangle. You were looking for something to do, right, Dad?
Yeah.
It's great to see the kids come out off the couch and enjoy the sunlight. I always want to make sure that they have had fun fishing. Sooner or later, they're going to catch a fish if they have fun fishing.
Some people caught fish, others did not. But everyone got a really good taste of what fishing has to offer.
It's very good. I don't know what else to tell you. It's just very good.
Ah, I just caught a fish.